It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Tustin, California. 6 days. Shout out to John and Roz, the most amazing clients that we could ever ask for. They opened their home, they let us stay here, they fed us. I mean, it was just an absolutely seamless week. I give special thanks to my crew, to Randy and Viv and Cullen and Miles and Hannah and Greg, my volunteers. I had David Hodgson up here, I had Tracy Seajack up here, and everyone, even the clients, they helped out, and it was just a real community effort. Well, we're headed back to Chula Vista. I wish you all a wonderful Mother's Day. This has been Laura Eubanks reporting for Team DFS with the grand reveal in Tustin, California, and your succulent tip of the day.